I'm gonna show you how to make a ginger tea. All right, there's the ginger, and I boiled this for over an hour. And you should put a spoonful of tea. Any kind of tea would work, but right now I'm using this tea which Vanessa gave it to us, a lemongrass ginger tea, and a filter. So what I do, I just put a spoonful, tie this, and boil it again for another 30 minutes in a slow fire. There you go. Right there. Boil. And then when it's done, it's gonna show like this. Okay, this is the finished product of a tea. I squirt a little bit of lemon. And a little bit of this honey. You don't have honey, that's okay. You can just put brown sugar, just a little bit, just like this. Okay, then I mix. This is now my ginger tea, and this is to help you boost your energy to fight for this COVID. Okay, instead of just staying home with 6 feet apart, you can boost your energy with this drink.
Does it boost your immune system?
It will help you boost your immune system and help you out. All right, you guys make your own tea.